So now let's see how we can work around with the appointment block inside of wordpress.com. So to do that, I'm going to go in between two blocks right here and then click on add block. So once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and type in appointment right here just like this, and you can see that appointment form is an option. So once you go ahead and do that, you get the appointment form options like that. You go, there's name, email, phone, date of birth, time right here just like this. You can go ahead and add in an option like, let's say for example 10 a.m. right here just like this, and then you can go ahead and press enter. 11 a.m. right here, so you can go ahead and make the changes as you like right here just like this. So this is what you have as well. There's the date as well and so forth. So you can go ahead and make changes like this, and over here around in the right side you can make a certain field required or not. So for email, let me make it not required, and then you can change around the label text around over here as well to change around the style and so forth right here. Let me just go ahead and save this particular page right here now, as I added in the form, and now I'm going to go ahead and preview this right here. So let's just go around over here, and you can see that I got the preview of this particular form right here. So let's just go around on to Sita, and then Mina right here just like this. For email, I'm not going to add anything. For phone number, let's just go ahead and add another phone number right here. I'm going to go ahead and then choose the date. Let's say for example, I'm going to select something like a future date. Select the time. You can see that this is a radio button, and I'm going to go around and say I would like to meet you in this time just like this, and I'm going to go ahead and book the appointment right here. So once you go ahead and do that around over here, I can simply go ahead and view its responses right here. And once you do that, you can see all of these details has been recorded right here just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize an appointment block to get appointment details from visitors inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.